A few years ago, the Entebbe Cinema Hall was demolished so that it can be renovated to the best. And guys, today I'm here so that I check out why the renovation has taken so long. The Entebbe people are asking what is happening, what went wrong, why is the renovation taking over 5 years. This place was managed by the local government. It was a public space. It was beyond just a cinema hall. A lot of people used to come here, schools, for example, for theater plays, drama school competitions, local drama actors used to come and use this place like a theater hall. It was, used for many purposes. Churches used to hire this space, like for church events, those big events. Even like local people used to hire this space for their maybe wedding receptions. A lot used to happen here. It was demolished. We were promised a far better hall, but it has been like this. As you see, this is the inside. Grass has grown into the space. But as you know, guys, when it comes to government things, they take long. A lot of people have to sign and, do everything so that, money is given out so that such a space can be maybe renovated or constructed. Going upstairs, this is what we see. I think this was the... Oh no, guys, I thought wrong. I thought this is supposed to be like the upstairs of the hall where people can also sit. But no, because there's this wall. So if people sit here, they won't be seeing what is happening down at the stage. So I don't know what this space is supposed to be. If you know, guys, if you've seen the plan of this new or what is supposed to be the new Entebbe Cinema Hall, please explain to us down below in the comment section. But anyways, let's go and check out what else is here. So you're seeing these small rooms. They are kind of like stores, like storage space. I don't know. But anyways, as we go back down these stairs on one of the sides, this is the view of the hall from up here. So it is a huge space. We thank God for that. And this is all you see. So I think that is all from up here. Let us go back down and see more. Grass has really grown inside the hall, and it is okay for now, guys. When it comes to public or anything that has to do with the government, especially here in Africa, things take long. I don't know why, but things take long. Maybe because of poverty. Anyways, we pray to God that we get better. And this is where we started from. This is where we entered from. This is what you see. And this is the front view of this place, the Entebbe Cinema Hall. What used to be the Entebbe Cinema Hall. So this is what you see, and it is suitably located just along the road. So I want to check out the sides and also the back part of this hall. I want to see what is there. Can I find somebody who can explain to us more about this space? By the way, this place is just next to Chadwick Namate Nursery School. Just before that school, it is a nursery school. Still, it is also part of the primary government school, which is Chadwick Namate Primary School. Anyways, this is the side of the hall. A lot of windows, and I love the fact that there is a lot of green in the compound, and you see more entrance or more, you see more entrances in the sides, which is supposed to be so, guys. You cannot construct such a place and you only have only the front and the back entrance. You have to have many entrances or exits. So this is what we see in the sides. So let's continue up to the back so that we see more. So at the back, this is what I see. There is still another building, still under construction, as you see. So I'm seeing rooms. I don't know, maybe this was supposed to be maybe kind of like hotel rooms, or like, I don't know, some rooms where people can spend the night, or like if you come here and you're going to stay for some days, you can, like live here. I don't know even, but that is what I'm imagining. You see rooms, maybe shops also, just as you see the National Theatre. And by the way, guys, do you know that this Entebbe Cinema Hall was used even by the colonialists back in the day? So this space or this place has been here for years. Like for years, it was used as the cinema hall back during the colonial times. Maybe we really needed to renovate it. So you see more buildings back here. This is the back of the hall. There's also this other entrance slash exit up those stairs. You see, this is how the back looks like. And I love the fact that, guys, it is promising. It is really promising, but I don't know what is really happening. So you see that building over there, guys. As I was here, or as I'm here, there is a church, and one of the church personnel came to me and told me that this space has now been taken over by this church. He was like, the church has bought this space up. That is allegedly, I'm not sure, but yes, the church is here. They are using one of the buildings, and they told me they've taken over. So I don't know whether they are renting it out or they have bought it up so that this space can now be used by the church. So maybe now this is going to be a church, which is also a beautiful thing. Yes, we need God, we need churches, we need more church venues. So guys, I tried to get some pictures, and this is how the hall used to be before. This is how it looked like before the demolition, and this is how it was as the renovation started. But now even those iron sheets have been removed, and maybe it is true, it now belongs to the church. So comment below, what do you think? Like, what do you think about all this? And also, if you know something, comment below. Tell us the facts, the truth. We really want to know what's really going on. And also for me, guys, I think it's better for the church to be using this place. Like, the place can be used by God instead of just being there for